Hi friends, today I want to recommend a product that checks all the boxes for quality, customer satisfaction, and great reviews. If you're looking for the best, this is the one to choose. Why this product? It's built with care, has stellar reviews with ratings from 4.8 to 5.0, and is a proven favorite among buyers. Check the link in the description for more details. Like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Thank you, and happy shopping. Hi friends, today I want to recommend a product that